What is an OTC network card? How does it work and how do you make it work smoothly? Now you may have been in a Walgreens and it says approved OTC. Well, the letters OTC are over the counter. Different insurance companies may handle OTC a little different. The basic idea is to be able to make purchasing medical supplies a little easier. If your insurance company uses OTC, I'll give you a few tips on how to make it a little easier. Now, because every insurance company is going to run OTC a little different, just because it says approved OTC doesn't mean it'll be approved for you. You may take this item up to the counter and find out it's not approved. So how do you know that it's approved before you go to buy it? I'll show you the easiest way to make this work. Instead of guessing, you can get an app. Then let's say you go into Walgreens. You can scan in the barcode with your cell phone. This will tell you immediately if it's actually covered or not. I scanned in 3 different types of medications. Only one of them is covered. Even in the store, it says approved OTC. If I took these up to the counter, it would not work. It will with this one. So the app will save you a lot of time. Without the app, it can be a little frustrating. A lot of stores don't even mark their products as OTC approved. So you'll go up to the counter. The cashier won't know if it's approved until they ring it out. I thought this one would be approved, but it wasn't. So if you want things to go smooth, just grab the app. Now when you go up to the counter, there'll be no surprises. In life, there's always a learning curve. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.